Hi guys, welcome to another unboxing by the Indian Meeple. Today we are going to unbox Athena, the Looms of Kanchi. It's an Indian-made game by Madhu Sundar, and I really love the look of the game. I didn't buy this game; I won it in a giveaway, which some of you may have seen. The only giveaway I have ever won. But this game looks so beautiful. I really am looking forward to play this. Just held off because of my health. Let's just open this game. So this game, you are all creating these beautiful looms. I think you create all these beautiful designs using the looms that are provided, and you score points by selling your creations later on, and you have to kind of work with other players to get your loom designs finished. But this box and the game, like, it's just brilliant design done by our Indian designers. I don't want to open this in a worse way. Let's see. Okay, a bit more. Yep, got it out. So just look at the box. I just want to keep this box hanging somewhere in my house. Such nice design aspects to even the box. And this is the board where you play it on. I know what is on the other side. So this is just the board. Just look at the back of the board. It looks so amazing. You use this board to put all your looms up, and you put the numbers in between where you need to travel and do some changes to the designs in the loom. These are the tokens in the game. These are the one tokens, and the component quality is really great. uh, these are not actual cardboard, I think, but it does the work. So this won't actually break or anything, or lose any of its numbering, whatever is there. It's quite good and sturdy. So we have those tokens which I need to punch out. You have your player aids. So you have 9 different types of action cards, which are all mentioned over here, from move to exchange to steal. You have all types of action cards, and you have these 4 player aids for the 4 different players, and then you can use these tokens to do certain specific actions, which can be to get new designs, and try to create the designs which you already have in your hand. Such a nice rule book with nice paper, explains how the game works, explains how the moves work, explains how you do swaps. The design cards explained very nicely. So the design cards, these are not actually supposed to be the color which are mentioned here. So if it says 4 yellow and 2 red over here, it could be any other color here, any 4 colors and any other 2 colors. And that is basically explained here, that it could be anything, and if you actually match that, you get that 1 point. I think the end of game triggers once you score 8. uh, yep, you once you score 8 annas, you basically win the game. And these are all the action cards that I just said. Such nice artwork. This is just a move action, guys, and this is the swap action. Very nice way of depicting all the actions. being shown here using I don't know, Kathak or Bharatnatyam for me. And then we have this loom bag. So these are all looms which will be wooden cylinder looms which will be kept on the board, and once you get to select something, you can either exchange them or select them to keep changing the loom for your designs which you have in your hand. The player tokens, these are wooden as well. They are such chunky, nice player tokens. I give kudos for the components that are used in this game. We have the two dice. This is the regular die, and this is the color coded die with one black side. If you actually roll a black, I think you get an action card. And these are chunky dice as well, so I give kudos for the components in this game. All the components are brilliant. Let's see the cards. So these are the cards. These are the action cards that I said. There are 9 actions in the game. So these are all the action cards. From picking a card, stealing a card, that is stealing a card, to taking some coins, to changing the looms or the number tokens, taking tokens, rolling your die. That is a direct victory point. These cards look amazing, like the artwork is superb in them. Then we have the design cards. So let's open them. So each of these design cards, whatever the color is shown, it's not that color. So this could be, say, 4 greens and 1 green in the corner. That also acts as this design. This is also 2 different colors. You can use any different colors. Each of them give 1 Ana or 1 victory point. These are 2 victory points. You see it's a bit more difficult to get them, and then you have the most difficult 3 victory points. Cards are a bit stuck up, but I think that's just because of the way it was packed. And these are nice cards as well. Finally, we have some bags, and these are very special bags. I love the way these bags are made, just for keeping the components of the game, because they deserve to be kept in such premium bags. 2 small bags and 2 bigger bags, and they look amazing. Just the bags look amazing and goes with the whole theme of the game of creating these looms, different types of looms in the game. And that has been Etana, Looms of Kanchi. It's an Indian made game, guys. Please support them. I will share a link where you can get the game as well, and you can feel free to ping me up if you want to see any gameplay for this game. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Indian Meeple. Bye.